copy this data. Okay, copy. And I'm going to go over here, paste. And as you mentioned, I have this data. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just copy the first half of the data and transpose it here. Right click, paste special, transpose. And then 13 to 24 weeks, copy, and paste special, transpose. So then I have the data here. You see that? Right? So I have this.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Transpose now.
Okay. So I have the original data, and then here is exponential smoothing. Exponential smoothing method, and alpha equals 0.2, and it starts with 48, right? And then I'm gonna just build it myself. Ft equals ft minus 1 plus alpha 0.20 times at minus ft minus 1. So that's 48. You copy that down. So 40.1290. So the answer here is 51.62. You did not answer it. Do you see the answer here?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the answer. So 51.62.
Okay.
So
yeah, it's way easier doing it on Excel
right.
than by hand.
If people are using calculator, it's going to be a long
Yeah,
calculation.
that's what I was doing.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
B is the method B is when alpha is 0.70, right? So I'm going to say ESM alpha equals 0.70, and it starts with 48. Ft equals ft minus 1 plus alpha 0.70 times at minus ft minus 1. And then copy it down. And the answer is 58.86 right here. Oh, you got it right.
Yeah, I got that one.
Oh, good. Yeah, so I have 58.86.
Okay.
Okay. Now, C, for the forecast provided with alpha is 0.20, MAD is, well, what is MAD, right? So I'm going to calculate FE for ESM A, right? And then it's going to
How did you copy and paste the other charts into Excel? Because it doesn't have the clipboard option.
Which one? Which chart?
Like the chart under A.
Under A?
Did you copy and paste that in the Excel?
No, we didn't. This one?
On the homework question. Where
On the
it's
homework
weeks
question.
and weekend calls. Huh?
I did not copy.
Oh, how'd you get that in there?
I calculated it.
Oh.
So using the formula, Ft equals Ft minus 1 plus alpha times parentheses AT minus 1 minus FT minus 1. Right, so
Got it.
this is
And
the
then,
formula,
okay.
and I just copy the formula down, and then it gave me the right calculation. I just, made it bold so that you can recognize the answer.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did not
Got
copy.
it.
Now I'm going to calculate forecasting error for ESMA and then FE for ESMB. And this one equals absolute value of actual minus forecast, right? That's the formula, just as you saw in my mile per gallon exercise. And the same goes with this one, absolute value of actual minus forecast here. And then copy that down. And then I'm going to calculate MAD. MAD is very simple, right? So it's just average of these errors. So average of these errors, hit enter, 11.86, copy that. So the answer has to be MAD 11.82 because you are rounding up, and then 13.98 for second one, right? And then based on
Yeah.
MAD values only, alpha equals 0.20 should be used because MAD is lower than the
Yeah.
second option. So given the actual call during week 25 or 85, alpha 0.70 yielded for closest value. Given that it was 85, so if this was 85, then as you can see, if it is 85, you see ESMA predicted 51.62, ESMB predicted 58.86.
Yeah.
So 51.6, 58. So this one is closer. So that's why I think you answered alpha is 0.0 here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how you solve this
And that's
question.
the correct reasoning.
Yep.
Okay. All right.